Today we are going to learn how easily we can install pyspark on a Mac, and we can start playing around on this pyspark. So to install pyspark, first of all we need the Python, which I already have installed on my Mac, so I'm not going to show that. We need the compatible version of the Java. So currently if we are going to install Java using the brew, so that will install the version 23. So you can see this, yeah, so this is a kind of version 23.01, but we are going to install version 17 for Java, which is more suitable for the PySpark. Before starting to install Java, let's go and see what all steps we are going to follow today. So today, right, we will just only follow three different things. First, we will install the Java, which is version 17, and then we will install the PySpark. The easiest way to install is using the pip command, and so we'll install it using the pip, and then we'll write small PySpark program just to validate that if the installation is correct or not. So let's start. So first of all, we'll check right if we have Java installed on our system. Now location, I don't think I have it. Yeah, it is not there. So let's install it. Okay, so to install the version 17, we have to do it brew install. You have to like open JDK at 17. Oops, it's a brew. VREW. Yeah, so now the installation is complete. Version of another formula. You need the also open path in your path, run this one. So yes, we need this in the path. So let's copy this and run this command. So now I have this path right in my the file, this JS, right, JS source file. So if whenever I need to close this, and if I start again, then the path will actually properly set. So let's open it again. Let's make it bigger. I have Conda actually activated, so let's deactivate that. Okay, so now if I check Java version, yes, so you can see it, Java installed. So we are good with the Java now. Let's clear the screen, and now let's create one folder, right, where we can install the PySpark and test it whether it's installed properly or not. So let's create one directory. Let's say that demo spark. Okay, we'll go to the demo spark folder, and if there is nothing else, so here we will create one virtual environment for the Python, and then we will install the PySpark. So let's create one virtual environment, Python 3. So this is how we have to create, right? The command is Python 3 -m, then venv, and we give this virtual environment a name. So let's say that demo spark. Okay, so this is the name. So if I now see this folder, I can see, okay, there is one folder demo spark is there, and inside this you can see there are different folders. So one is the include library, and then the main things are like bin. So in the bin you will find there is a script which is called activate, and if you run that, so that's where this virtual environment will be active. And how can you do that? So you have to run this command source the /bin/active. Okay, so now I run this. So you can see, right? uh, Sorry, yeah. So now, right, this is the, if you can see this, your virtual environment in the brackets, that means this is the virtual environment is active. So for this, I am now right inside the demo spark virtual environment. You can see, right, what all packages has been actually installed in this virtual environment by checking here. So there is like cells here. If you go to our library, and here there's a Python, here you can see the site packages. You can see that there is nothing installed, only pip is there. So now if I will install the pip, like pyspark, and the pip3 both are same. So let's say that pip install pyspark. Okay, so now it's like all installed because I believe, right, I ran it before earlier for another virtual environment. That's why it is saying it's using cache. Okay, that's the reason, right, it ran so fast, but it is kind of 300 MBs file, so it will take a couple of minutes if you are in a slower internet to download. So now if I go to this side package, you can see, right, I have pyspark and pyspark like 3.5, and it's all installed. Now I can test it by easily invoking this pyspark. So if I run the pyspark, then this is how that command line, right, the pyspark will open. So now, yeah, you can see, right, it is all active version 3.5. So you can create data frame and you can run it, right, so, and all those things. So I can just write a small query. If I select, let's say that timestamp, let's like select version is working, select current. Yeah, so you can see, right, it's all working now. So we'll go I'll come out of this local this one, and then we'll try to write a program where later we can run this pyspark. So let me write a small program like from pyspark.sql import spark equal to So now I have this, right, spark created, and let's create a data frame df equal to spark dot create data frame data equal to, let's give some test data here. So I'll just not give much. Let's say that I have one name and then age of 30. Let's say that age will be Mike. And this is one test data here. Let's say that Sam, age of 20. Okay. Now schema equal to, I'll just define it here. Name is and then this let's say that I'll just show it here. That's it. And now I can run it. Python 3 Python 3. Yep. So now you can see, right, it's all invoked the PySpark, and we can see the small data frame here. That's all for today. Next time we'll meet again to learn something new. Thank you.